I'm Vidya, your tutor. Let's learn relations and functions together, step by step. We deepen the ideas of relations and functions. We'll classify relations, meet equivalence relations, and study functions that are one-one, onto, or both, and when a function can be inverted. A relation on a set can have three key properties. Reflexive. Every element relates to itself. Symmetric. If A relates to B, then B relates to A. Transitive. If A relates to B and B to C, then A relates to C. A relation that is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive all at once is called an equivalence relation. It neatly splits the set into non-overlapping equivalence classes. A function is one-one or injective if different inputs give different outputs. It is onto or surjective if every element of the codomain is an output. A function that is both is called bijective. Take f of x equals 2x plus 3. If two outputs are equal, then the inputs are equal, so it's 1, 1. And for any y, we can solve x equals y minus 3 over 2, so it's onto. Hence, f is bijective. The composition g after f means apply f first, then feed the result into g. Be careful. The order matters. G after f is generally not the same as f after g. A function has an inverse exactly when it is bijective. The inverse simply undoes the function. Applying f and then f inverse returns you to where you started. To recap, an equivalence relation is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. A bijection is one-one and onto. Composition applies f first, then g, and a function is invertible precisely when it is bijective. Well done. Great work. Keep learning with Vidya and visit CBSETest.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice tests.